guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am completely not ready today because we're going to be getting ready together, and look what came in the mail. BoxyCharm. So I thought that we would get ready using the products from my June BoxyCharm box, and I haven't done this in a while. So it's an unboxing slash try on, get ready with me, and using some other new things that I recently got in the haul as well. So if you're new, hi, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified of all of my future videos. I upload Wednesday and Friday. You don't want to miss out on Friday's video because it's an awesome foundation. I can't wait for you guys to see that. But anyways, I have nothing on my face except for my brows because I like to do my eyes first. And there is an eyeshadow palette in here and I'm super excited to try it. So let's just get started with seeing what's inside the box all at once and then putting it on. So if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a box where you get 5 full-size products to try out, usually beauty, skincare type of products, perfect for every single woman that wants to try new products and get amazing things. And they're 5 full-size products, so it's a $300 value for $25, you guys. It is so awesome. I've told you guys before, I've tried different boxes. I've tried like the Ipsy bag, and BoxyCharm is by far my favorite because you actually, I hate paying money and getting little tiny travel size samples. I don't like that. So I like that they actually send you full-size products and that there's 5 of them in here because that's a lot. Every month to try out 5 new products is amazing. So anyway, so they send you a card that looks like this every month and that tells you kind of the theme of the month. They go through a theme, and this one is the Oasis, and basically tell you how much everything costs in here and what to use it for, a little description. So it's really useful too if you don't know what it is and what the heck you need to do with it. This little card is very useful. So let's just start checking out the box and seeing what is in here. So first things first is the Bump Eraser Body Scrub. It's safe for sensitive skin, and it's from First Aid Beauty. I'm really excited to try this. This is what I'm talking about. Like, sometimes you get these amazing shower type of products and I can't wait to try it. Let's see if it smells like anything. I don't really get a scent from it, but ooh, I can see how scrubby it is. So this is so nice to just take care of yourself, guys. Just take care of yourself. So nice. Okay, next is the Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette Cream to Powder Duo in the shades, it's called Shades of Nude. So this is what it looks like. Laura Geller is a expensive brand, guys. Wow, this mirror is absolutely amazing. I'm impressed. This mirror is super amazing. But those are the products here. So it's cream to powder, and this is what they look like, which is really nice. I love peachy shades. It has a little bit of a bronzer and a little bit of a highlight. So we'll try that today and see if it really is cream to powder, if it's sticky, all that kind of stuff. We'll see how good they are. Then the K-A-B lip liner and lip gloss duo looks like this in the shade Charming. Everyone gets different products also, you guys. Sometimes you get different shades from someone else that got a box, which I think is pretty cool, so they don't send everybody the exact same thing. And you do take a quiz, so they try to kind of like go by what your kind of quiz says. So Charming. So look at this humongous lip gloss. Okay, this is my Pat McGrath lip gloss. Look at how freaking fat this one is. Oh my gosh. Shade Charming, beautiful, and then a lip liner to go along with it. Hopefully this matches good with the palette that's in the box. Also, we have here a Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara in black. I have not tried Lily Lashes mascaras before, so I'm excited to try it. Wow, it's beautiful. The packaging is gorgeous. So we'll definitely try this, although I might wear lashes today. And then last is this, and I'm so excited. This is the cutest packaging in the whole freaking world. This is the Touch in Soul Fill Up Orange Eyeshadow Palette. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. This is so freaking beautiful. I'm so excited to try this, you guys. Oh yeah. look at this. So a bunch of orangey, warm, perfect for these summertime shades. And I love this glitter. So yeah, we're going to be using that baby. So let's get started with doing some makeup, you guys. I'm so freaking excited for this box. If you're interested in getting the box and you haven't got it, I'll leave a link down below for you guys. So I'm going to start with an eyeshadow base. This one I got in last month's BoxyCharm. It's the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer, and I actually really like it. I think it's great. I also got out the Off Tropic palette from NYX to see if I need another palette to kind of go along with that, with like a brown in there. I have this palette, so we'll be using both palettes. Look at this gorgeousness. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with this little shade right here. Have slightly, like, I don't have a lot of lid space. I wouldn't say my eyes are hooded, but I don't have a lot of lid space, so I use a shade that's slightly darker to kind of lift my eye up and make it look like my crease is higher than it actually is, but I'm putting that in the transition shade here. Then I'm going to, they don't have like any, all the other shades are like a little bit shimmery. So I'm going to get into this shade right here in Off Tropic, and I'm going to get into this shade right here. And then using a blending brush, I'm getting into this yellow shade right there. And I'm just going to put that almost up to the brow, but not all the way. Okay, now I'm going to get into this red shade right here. Getting into that red shade and putting that now into the outer half and into the crease. Orange glitter shade is a pressed glitter, so I'm going to stick this color all over so it can kind of shine underneath. I'm going to grab a little bit of this darker shade and kind of use it to deepen this outer part. This brush right here that I talked about in my favorites, I'm going to use that dark brown and line and then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to get into this shade right here, and I'm putting that in the inner part of the lid. It's like a peachy but gold, like in the middle of the lid, and working my way inwards with my finger. Ooh, very soft and pigmented and pressed. And I'm also going to use this dark brown too, just to darken it a little bit more, because I feel like it's not dark enough. There we go. Let's do some of this glitter right here. I'm definitely going to need to have some sort of a glitter base. Putting it. Wow. On my lid. Can you guys see that? You guys can. I'm going to go in with that dark brown and just deepen this outer part real quick and just kind of pat, because I already put that. Okay, so I really wanted to try this Luminous Putty Primer from e.l.f. that I recently hauled. So let's try this as a primer. And I should clean this up real quick. I thought that it might be like almost like a highlighter, but it's not. It's like a natural, beautiful glow. Really nice, and it feels so much nicer than their original. Let's go in with foundation. So let's use this because it's been a very, very long time. Is this still good? These are the Age Perfect Radiant Concealers. I'm just gonna try this, and I'm gonna use a darker shade first to counteract this craziness here. So I set my under eye concealer, but we have some cream products from Loreal here that we got in the BoxyCharm that I'm excited to try. So we have like a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight. So let's do that and see how that goes. I'm gonna try first using the bronzer with a brush here. This is the Luxie 680 Pro Profusion brush. Got this in a BoxyCharm a long time ago as well. So let's put that on here. Oh, it's very pigmented and looks a little bit like pink to me, like a pinky bronzer or a contour shade there. It's supposed to be cream to powder, so it's supposed to be pretty easy to blend, and it is. It's very easy to blend. Actually like it. This is the e.l.f. small stipple brush. I'm gonna get into the blush and swirl that in there. A little on my nose, a little on my chin. I really like that. I look so fresh right now. Okay, last is this highlight. So I'm gonna try to use my fingers for the highlight. Put it here in this outer, a little bit there. Wow, that's really pretty. Wow, I'm very, very amazed. And I would have never tried this product on my own, but now it makes me want to try more cream products from Loreal because holy, that is a really good cream formula. See, so there's all of them swatched. The blush, the bronzer, the highlight, very beautiful. I love it. Wow. And it is a cream to powder, but not like, because it's a cream, started as a cream, when it goes to a powder, it's a very like hydrating, smooth powder, not powdery at all, not dry at all. Perfect for my dry skin. Wow. I really like that. It's really beautiful. Okay, I'm going to set like my T-zone area. Even when you set the Pro Glow, still looks so amazing on your skin and doesn't look powdery. Sometimes foundations that are hydrating, once you set them, they still look cakey and powdery. You have to use a setting spray. This one you don't have to because it still looks so beautiful on your skin. Oh, crap. Wow. Good makeup day today, guys. Good makeup day today. Okay, finish underneath the eyes super, super quick. I'm just going to kind of smear this red color all underneath, and then maybe that darker shade. let's curl my lashes and pop on some mascara, and let's see how well this Lily Lash mascara is. I am so picky with my mascaras because my lashes are terrible. I mean, I'm sure you guys can relate. Short, stumpy lashes don't stay curled, so you need something that means business. So hopefully Lily Lashes did it right with their mascara. I like the brush. It's not waterproof from what I know here. Let's try it. I mean, for the glitter that's going on, this probably isn't enough. We'll try after we do another coat after that kind of sets. And I'll probably have to go with lashes. I actually do like it. I think it's really, really nice. And I added like 2 or 3 coats and it didn't clump up on me. And it looks really fluffy. I actually really like it. Okay, so I really love how this looks, but I know that you guys probably can't see it as well, and I want to take some pictures of super fluffy eyelashes, but I'm not gonna lie, after I'm done taking pictures, I'm gonna take it off and just have just my lashes because I really like how the mascara actually looks on me. But we're gonna pop on lashes just because I want to take some cute pictures and whatnot. So these are the e.l.f. Faux Mink Lashes in Drama Queen. I got these in that haul from last week. So now look at my eye look. How beautiful is this? So gorgeous. I love the glittery orange. So beautiful. Anyways, and I didn't set like the creams. So I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Oh, yes. I honestly don't need a setting spray because like necessarily to blend my makeup in or to make it look less cakey because everything looks so smooth today and so beautiful. But hopefully this will actually make everything. Okay. The Duo here. The Duo, and I think because of the blush and that like pinky shade we put on top over here that this might look good. So let's try this. And I have like crusty lashes. You guys know I've told you guys a million times about my crusty ace lashes. So let's hope that this liner isn't too dry. Not Marc Jacobs, sorry. This is as creamy as my Pat McGrath liner that I absolutely love. Wow. This is like a glossy liquid lipstick. What do you guys think about this whole look? What do you think about how it turned out? Okay, so this is the completed look. What do you guys think? This is using all of the BoxyCharm products, and I'm really excited because this month the formulas have been so freaking good. I'm super impressed. This is by far, just look at this palette. Like, look how gorgeous that is. I can't even, it's so beautiful. I feel like I'm having the best makeup day of my life. Like everything, not just like how it looks from afar, but like close up, everything looks so smooth and beautiful, not cakey whatsoever. I don't know, it's looking good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed me sharing my BoxyCharm and doing a makeup look with it. If you like this and you want me to do more BoxyCharm videos like this one, give me a thumbs up, and that's how I will know that you want me to do more of these get ready with me / BoxyCharm videos. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you liked it. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm if you have BoxyCharm. Did you get anything different? Comment below and let me know. And I guess don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.